What's up, guys? Good to see you. Welcome to the Keto Kitchen. I'm here with my boy Keto Chef Max.
How we doing, guys?
So listen, today we've got something special for you. One thing that everybody needs is good, quick snacks on the run. We all lead very busy lives, so Max put together 3 amazingly delicious, amazingly simple and healthy keto snacks. Tell us where we're starting off here, brother.
All right, so we got our Parmesan rind crisps. So you can find Parmesan rinds anywhere. They're pretty much at Whole Foods every day. Or any nice grocery store, but these took us literally a minute and a half to make. All you do is you microwave them on a nice microwave safe plate, and they'll puff up, and let them come to room temp afterwards, otherwise they'll burn you. But they get really, really crispy, and you have your own Parmesan crisps.
This is actually really cool. I didn't believe this was gonna be possible because every time I've tried to like melt cheese, it becomes a disaster. It sticks to the plate. So the type of cheese really matters here.
Yeah, so I'm gonna think that like the drier the cheese, the easier it is to be able to make these. But if you wanna go with something softer, always keep an eye on the microwave. They'll melt quicker because they're softer. Like cheddar, I would only go about 30 seconds in the microwave and then pull them.
And we did these for how long?
We did these for a minute and a half.
Also, I'd never seen the Parmesan rind.
Yeah, so these are great. A lot of people just discard them, but they're useful in so many ways. Like, for instance, we just made crisps. You know, you don't have to go and buy any of those like wisps or crisps.
Yeah, which is the cool thing, because those things are delicious, but they can get very expensive.
Yeah, and you can use these in soup. So if you're eating some egg drop soup, throw a Parmesan rind right in there and let that thing just melt down and develop a lot of flavor while it's simmering really slowly.
So when you went to go pick this up at the grocery store, this Parmesan rind, I've never seen it sitting out in the cheese section. Did you ask the guy behind the deli or anything?
No, so you know, like when you go to Whole Foods and they have like a giant table of just grana padano or Parmesan cheeses laying out.
So it's in that section?
Yeah, it's in there, and they'll have just rinds everywhere because, you know, these are money. You know, they're delicious, they're full of flavor.
They are, man.
And they're really easy and useful.
Okay, so now for the taste test. I'm looking for a crunch. I want that crisp, which I can't believe. Beautiful, man, that's genius. You guys gotta try that one out. Recipe's gonna be in the description below. All right, my man, tell me what we got next.
All right, we have an avocado to the extreme, basically. So it's quick, simple, ready to go in under 2 minutes. All you need is a few ingredients, and all we did is we mashed up the avocado, sprinkled some everything but the bagel seasoning on top, some Maldon salt, sriracha, and a little bit of lime juice. That's just gonna help enhance the flavor of the avocado and kind of change up from eating just a plain avocado every day.
Okay, so here's the thing. Your boy doesn't know if he likes sriracha or not. It's been a long time since I've had it. I know that it's like a cult favorite amongst everybody. Let me know what you guys think about sriracha in the comment section below. I'm definitely gonna try it. I'm actually excited about this dish because a lot of people come to me and they're like, yo man, I'm sick and tired of eating avocado. Like it just...
How can you change it up?
Yeah, like give me some ideas to change it up. And besides putting everything but the bagel seasoning on it, I don't know what to tell them, but now I'm gonna put them onto this video here. So do a little taste test. Sriracha's not too spicy, right?
It's a little bit.
Yeah, that's amazing. Ooh, it does have a little kick.
It does have a little kick.
Oh.
You gonna be all right?
Oh, it does. I think I'm gonna do my version without the sriracha, bro. But that was definitely delicious. Tell us what we got next.
All right, so we have our mini charcuterie board. It's really cool, real simple. All you have to do is find some meats that you like at the grocery store and select whether or not you want 1 to 2 pieces of each and put them all in a bag. You know, we have 5 different flavors. We use dry coppa, pancetta, uncured pepperoni, prosciutto, and uncured genoa salami.
Yeah, this was cool. I didn't really realize how many amazing, like good high quality, high fat meats there were. I knew about salami and pepperoni, but I didn't really know about I forgot about the prosciutto. And then dry coppa, I had actually never tried that before. That was delicious.
Yeah.
So we got this little meat plate here.
Yeah, so another thing to mention is the company that we use is Columbus. They are basically using with no antibiotics in their products. You know, there's no nitrites added, and their pork is raised very humanely and hormone free. So it's gonna help with the flavor as well. A lot of this stuff is cured or aged for years. Which is gonna help develop the flavor and the tenderness of the meat. So let's try the pepperoni.
It tastes delicious,
here.
and yeah, I'm anxious to try this pepperoni because it's probably gonna taste much different than like your typical cheap pepperoni. One thing about this stuff is you can just throw this in a Ziploc bag and take it all with you. Like prep it all out like this into a little Ziploc. All right, guys, that's a wrap. So hopefully you got some good ideas here from my boy Keto Chef Max for the next time you want a quick and easy keto snack. You can follow him on Instagram at Keto Chef Max. I'm gonna put his information in the description below. We are actually gonna move on to make 2 more recipes that you can find on ketoquest.com. As always, guys, keep up the good work and much love